everyone, my name is Professor Elizabeth Cadenese. I am not your professor for this semester, but I wanted to introduce myself because I was one of the instructional designers for this course who helped your professor with some of the course design. So as you know, the college is fully online this semester due to the COVID-19 crisis. So I've taught English 098, 099 online for many years, and I love teaching it online. So the English department has put me in charge of working with your professors as needed to help them use their fantastic teaching skills blended with some of my experience teaching 098, 099 to design this course for you, which we hope will be really wonderful for you, engaging, and help you learn as much as possible this semester. So this video is just to sort of help you to understand why sometimes you'll hear my voice talking about a concept or see my head explaining something. This is just because some of the videos are videos that I've used in my 098, 099 classes in the past. So you should not be worried that your professor is a tall black man and you hear a short white lady's voice sometimes. It is all good, and it's all intended to help you to succeed as best as possible in this course. So if you have any questions, please reach out to your professor, and your professor will provide really excellent and stellar instruction to you this semester. Just a little bit about me. I've been at Community College of Philadelphia for about 11 years now, and I love it. I have taught a variety of classes, from intercultural communication classes and poetry and writing classes, to classes in developmental English, like the 098, 099 classes that you're in right now. And I really love English 098 and 099 because they are often classes taken by people who are at the beginning of their journey at CCP, and maybe that's your story. And I think that these courses provide an excellent foundation, not just for the English courses that you'll take later at CCP and beyond, but for other courses that you'll take as well. In English 099, you're going to learn how to become a better reader, which will really help you when you're reading textbooks for your other classes. It will help you when you're reading in whatever job you wind up being in, or whatever career you want to advance. And then your writing skills will help you with everything from that future essays you will write to the emails that you will write. And I think that the 098 class really helps to you to structure your thinking a little bit differently. So maybe some of you have experienced where your thoughts are coming to you every which way and you don't really necessarily know how to focus them. And I think that learning about writing in English 098 will really help with that. So I wish you the best of luck this semester. The entire English department is rooting for you. 098, 099 students make up the largest population of students taking English classes at a given semester. So we are all really rooting for your success, especially in this new fully online format. So we are here to help you in whatever way is possible for us, and we hope that you will continue to build connections with professors at CCP and also with your classmates through the discussion forums in these courses. So thank you very much, and have a wonderful semester.